everyone, and happy Sunday everyone. So guys, on this video we are going to be doing a drink called kuni drink. Yeah, so we are going to be using Ansa granite. Yeah, over here is my Ansa granite. We all know this granite now, we all know it very well as an African. So guys, this is how it looks. I believe most of us have come across with this, Ansa granite. So what I did was just to take 3 cups out of it and pour it in there, and I soak it for 3 good days. Yes, because I'm going to be adding coconut and other stuff to it to make a very yummy and delicious drink. Yeah, so this is it. I'm going to go ahead and watch it. Yeah, if you know you have used it or maybe you have come across with it, just let me know. This is Ansa granite. We call it Ansa granite. This is so nice compared to the the old one I have here. Look at it compared to this. You guys can see the difference. This is so look beautiful, nice, look very nice. Why this is still old? Because this one is the one that was not soaked too. So I'm going ahead to add some more water to clean it very well, before adding any other stuff to it. So I'm going to be adding dates. Yeah, I have some dates I'm going to be adding. I'm also going to be adding my coconut to it. Yeah, if you have watched this video up to this extent, guys, please let me know what you can call it and what you can also make out of it, what you can use it to make. Let me know in the comment section. So guys, it's so yummy, very yummy. So this is it. So I'm going to show you guys on my next video the process and everything I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step, so feel free to stay tuned to watch it. Thank you also so much. See you guys on my next video. Until then, remain blessed and stay blessed.